everyone, Natalie here from Serpstat. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we'll be still discussing about Serpstat and all the core tools and features that they have, and the ones that you can absolutely take advantage of if you have an account and subscription with them. So, as always, before we go ahead and discuss any of those from Serpstat, let me just give you a quick information about what you can get if you try out our tools in Serpstat. So here in Serpstat, as you can see, I am on the landing page, and if you're in the lookout for an SEO audit, then we have that for you. So here we have an actionable free SEO audit that you can get in less than a minute, and all you have to do is to just input your information right here and click on this button so that you can get started. And there's another thing that we want you to take note of once you're in the Serpstat landing page, and this is you can get a free guide that can show you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional $2,437 per month on autopilot. So for this one, you only have to input your first name and email address, and then of course if you want to subscribe to our mailing list, that is awesome. And then click on this Find Out How button so you can take advantage of that free guide. Alrighty, so having said all of those, let's go to Serpstat Serpstat's dashboard. So here we have the projects dashboard for Serpstat, and then of course we're working on the Serpstat.com project right here. And if you haven't been following this series, then you would be familiar that we are currently discussing all about the AI content tools that Serpstat has. So you can see the list if you go on the sidebar right here. And we ended the last video with discussing a little bit about article generation. So if it's your first time coming across this type of video, I just want to give you a quick heads up that these type of tools, we won't be able to fully dissect them because we would need to enter specific code so that we'd be able to do so. And some of them also needs certain types of credits that will be charged on depending on how many credits you have on your account. So those are some limitations depending on the type of subscription that you have with Serpstat. So anyway, just to give you a quick idea of what you can get or what you can expect once you have an account with Serpstat and on the corresponding subscription that you will be availing, then hence we are making this video. So here we have YouTube video transcription feature. So for this one, it will help you transcript the video so that you can convert the content to an article draft and avoid plagiarism. So we know how it can be confusing or overwhelming when we listen to a video and then transcript it, right? So with this one, you will be able to you will get assistance in terms of properly transcripting video content so that you can turn them into written articles. So, or written content rather. So here is the token that I've mentioned earlier. So you can get your token if you go to your profile. So once you have your account, you'd get your API token in your profile, or you can set that as well. And then once you enter the Serpstat API token right here, then you'd be able to utilize this specific feature. So that is it for this video. Just wanted to really show you how or give you an idea of what these AI content tools are and what specific types of content tools you'll be getting once you have an account with Serpstat. So please tune in to the rest of the videos that we'll be uploading. The ones that will follow will be those that are listed here. So we'll talk about them one by one. Just do a quick run through of what they're about and what they can or how they can help you with your business. So that's it. Of course, do not forget to like this video, comment any takeaways or anything that you may want, and of course subscribe to Serpstat so that you can get updates whenever we upload a new video content. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next video.